Welcome back to another video. Today is January 23rd. Yes. It is 8:10 a.m. and look at those futures. Up 14 on the S&P, up 39 or 40 on the NASDAQ, 195 on the Dow. Isn't that amazing after the garbage we saw yesterday? My Dow chart is broken. I don't know why, but here's the S&P's chart. Right at the line. See that? This was the line it set back in, what was that? October. The October lows, and it busted over them just last week, and then now tested them, closed above them. That's good. So that was a retest. People keep saying, "Oh, we're going to retest the lows of October. We're going to or December. We're going to retest the lows." We may not, because as you can see on the S&P, we're bouncing off that line there, which is really good. And then with gapping up today, hopefully we get some gapping up and buying, and it's just a quick bounce off there. The NASDAQ is the same thing. I don't have a line that high. Its line is a little lower. Hopefully we don't retest that one. But the S&P is retesting that one. And so hopefully we bounce off there and we keep going. If you look at the oscillator, here we are. Get rid of that. Let's reload the page. There we go. Okay. 52. Well, we were in the 90s and now we're at 52. So you can see how it's coming down. Again, 40's overbought, so we're still above that. But we'll see if the move today comes in with some pretty good volume. Actually, let me come back here again. Check the volume on like the spiders and the Qs. It wasn't quite as big as say Friday. It was pretty low for a while yesterday. It actually ended up being about the same. So we'll see what happens. Futures are up today. Maybe we'll bounce off. Square, what in the world happened? I was shocked all day when that did that. I was like, what is this stupid thing doing? But it hit that line and stopped, which is what I wanted. And now it's gapping up. So it's currently gapped up to 69.25, 69.38. And it closed at 67.85. So maybe we're just gonna bounce. We'll see. ABMD looked really good. It was actually green for pretty much the whole day. And again, that line there was 345. Data right inside the triangle. I just did the line on data to 125.85. So break up above that. Found this guy, Canopy Growth. It actually has pretty good earnings and sales according to FinViz. Finviz.com if you don't know. And it has a little pennant or ascending triangle there. So that's around 45.20. And look at the volume drop off down here. See the drop off? That's not bad. And it goes sideways. Might be good. PXD oil. It never really came over the line or anything, but reversed. We'll have to see if it comes back. Found this guy, PAYC. See that solid resistance right there? And it's right up close. Breakout over that could send it higher. And that line is 138 flat. Then I found this guy too. Not super thrilled about this, but there's a little bull flag there. The company has good earnings and sales, so maybe this is preparing to go higher. Breakout over that would be 46, so right up over that 46 area. And then Mongo, I keep taking this out of my list, putting it back, taking it out, putting it back because of the Amazon news. But it's building. Yesterday it was building its way back up. So I'm like, well, maybe. I mean, Amazon hasn't killed it yet, right? So maybe it'll make its way out of that triangle. So I'll just keep an eye on it. It needs to come up before I can really give a valid buy area. It needs to come up, touch the line, maybe test it, flag or something. Palo Alto Networks got hit yesterday. It gapped up on, I think it was an upgrade. Then it sold down. Still looks okay, especially if you were in from down here. Should be fine. And in my other list, I've moved Tandem out of there because of the weakness that came in, but you can see how it's doing. Cyber I took out because this just looks terrible at this point. In fact, let me get rid of it altogether. Align, again, I think I said yesterday, it already came out of this channel, falling wedge kind of pattern. And it'd be nice to see it climb and then maybe flag. So I'm just keeping an eye on that. OLED got smoked yesterday. I'd never had the volume to get it. When it came out of there, it never really had any volume anyway. So I kind of, I wouldn't say predicted, but I assumed it was going to get smoked. If the market came down, it would probably sink. Didn't have any volume. And then just taking a look at Netflix again. Sold off pretty good. So buying at the end of the day. That might be a significant area where the buying came in too, right in here. That came in and supported it. Maybe we'll start to form another little ascending triangle or something in there. Just give it lots of time and we'll see what it does. Okay, that's it. There will be another video tomorrow morning, I believe. Yeah. Expect another one tomorrow. Again, if you find these videos useful, please subscribe. Come on back, and we'll see you on the next one.